Yeah, I had fish fingers for breakfast this morning.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah.
I bring to you the living icon, the social media star, the ghost hunter,
Yeah, that as well, actually, yeah.
Bailey Mills.
You're trying to be really serious. Sorry. Probably came out.
If you have no idea who Bailey Mills is, you have not been on the internet. Now, Bailey Mills, how would you best describe what you do?
It's camp, it's comedy. Very Little Britain, Catherine Tate, you know, it's a mixture of two.
Good. And you have been keeping the hundreds and thousands of people entertained during lockdown. You do the most hilarious, how do you describe it, sketches?
Yeah, like sketches, but also like with drag, I kind of like make it my own, because I feel like with queens, a lot of them are like really pretty and gorgeous, and I'm none of them things. So I like bringing lipstick to my chin and just taking the piss out of people you see day to day, you know? Like the girl, if she's got like, you know, with dolly shoes, if it's like hanging off and she puts sellotape on it, or the girl who thinks she's a werewolf. Like people you see day to day, you know what I mean?
Now, we are going to be transforming you into a beautiful, sickening queen today.
Gorgeous.
We're going to be emulating that inner beauty and transferring it to the outside.
I can't wait.
As much as I would love to sit down and talk to you for hours, which we often do, for video purpose sake, we're going to be speeding through this transformation. But if you want to see and hear more about Bailey, make sure you follow Bailey on all of their social media platforms, which is
Bailey J Mills 99. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you.
Love it. Right, without further ado, is it further ado or further ordo? Let's do some makeup.
In, out, shake 'em all about. your mother.
Again, if you want to follow Bailey across all of their social media platforms, you can do so at
Bailey J Miles 99.
Stay posted. Bailey is a star in the rising.
Thank you so much. I love you, bitch.
I love you.
Thank you so much.
Right. Lots of love from me and the other woman, and we shall see you guys soon.
Thank you. Bye.